Want to help supplement your one income home? In this video, we're going to go over some ways on how to make money as a homemaker. This video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Crystal from Homemaking on the Homestead. She is such a wise and wonderful homemaker. She knows a lot about frugal homemaking, and in her channel, you will find a lot of videos that might interest you. She is such a wise and sweet person. She has tons of experience on homemaking. She even homeschools all of her children, and now she has some wonderful grandchildren. She runs a blog. She is super experienced in homemaking and very, very wise. Go to her channel right after this one to learn even more ideas on how to make money as a homemaker. Money making idea number one, run a daycare. Now, this isn't an easy one, but it can make quite a lot of money if you enjoy children. Please don't do this if you don't enjoy children because it is quite a lot of work. If you are a stay-at-home mama, check the local laws in your state. Some states require you to get a license, but some don't if you're under a certain amount of children. Please be sure before pursuing this one that is something you can absolutely handle as you'll have your own little ones in addition to someone else's precious little ones. Daycares can be quite fun and informative for children and also for the parents can be very good things to have because a lot of us work outside the home or even if we do work from home, sometimes it's a little bit distracting with the children. So if you can handle it, run a daycare from your home where you get to socialize your own little one. You get to do fun activities all day because children are just so fun. If it's for you, this is a good one that can make you a lot of money while staying at home with your little money making idea number two. If you do enjoy children but in slightly smaller doses, go ahead and run a summer program. A lot of parents will really appreciate extra help in the summer as their children are not in school. You can have a fun summer program that will allow the children to come to your home or maybe outside somewhere if you so choose. It can be anywhere from a full day to a few hours. Negotiate your rates with the parents. Again, check your local laws. But this one could be quite fun because in the summer there's a lot of nice days and fun activities to do. Just be very careful as they are precious children and make sure that this is the one for you. If you love children, you'll love this job. Your children and their children get to have fun together. The parents can do it at a more affordable rate and you get to make some money while being a stay-at-home homemaker. If you want to stand out from the competition, you can do so by making it something unique, say a language immersion summer program or some sort of religious program based on your religion. It'll be so appealing to the parents because it is something unique that they cannot get anywhere else. Excuse my voice, please. It is super early in the morning. Maybe a summer program could be something for next year, now that summer is wrapping up. But for this year, if you want to help supplement your one income home, you can host an after school program. Once again, if you enjoy children and they're not too overwhelming for you, this can be a good way to test it out and see if it'll work for you. As it's only a couple of hours right after school, it will give those parents who work later some time and sometimes a lot of schools might not have the after school activities, or sometimes the parents cannot afford it if it comes with a price. You just never know anyone's situation. But it's okay. That's where you come in. And now you can host a fun after school program. Again, you can make it unique by making it something different that no one else has. Make your lesson plan, make it appealing. Check out the rules in your state once again. And if it's perfectly legal to do so, you can gain clients that way or from the parent pickup line if your little ones are in school. Please make sure that this is something that's absolutely right for you because this is also a lot of work. So only do it if you're able, please. Take consideration how many children you already have and how many you're willing to take before you start something like this. Okay, so the next money making idea is to do some babysitting. It's not just for teenagers. Sometimes parents need a responsible mama to take care of their little ones while they go on an outdoor date night. Or sometimes we have appointments that we need to get to, and if we don't have anyone to leave our children with, we will turn to babysitters. And that's where you come in. You can even make it extra special by making some crafts for mommy and daddy. That way, when the parents get back, they have a fun souvenir from their little one. And you get to make some money while helping a couple nurture their marriage. Okay, these are not all about children, I promise. I just made them all in a categorized way. But the next one is do some drop off and pick up services. If you get to drop off your children at school anyway, sometimes other parents can't. So you can offer your services by picking up and dropping off the neighborhood children for a small fee. That way you can make some money while lightening another parent's load. If you like doggies, this one's for you. You can offer dog walking services around your neighborhood. That way, you get to spend time with some new furry friends as well as making some money, and it doesn't take very long. So you can do as many or as little as you want. Not to mention, it's a great way to get exercise and get outdoors and enjoy the fresh air. This is perfect for mamas who might have older children in school. Take into consideration your lifestyle and see if you can do this one. But if you can, this is an easy way to make some money if you like animals, that is. And speaking of animals, another way to supplement your income as a homemaker is to train doggies. Do you have a knack for training doggies? Maybe you had a dog before and were super good at training it. Or maybe you read all the dog training books. Or maybe even watched a dog training show. The point is, if you can train a dog, you can do this. You can definitely have some fun with some puppies and make money at the same time. Sometimes you parents or parents with small children don't really have the time to train a dog. For example, their baby might still be nursing or is not yet sleeping through the night. There are many reasons, but sometimes parents do really want a doggy. However, they want to train doggy. Well, that's where you come in. You get to teach the doggy new tricks, literally, and get some money while doing so. Meanwhile, helping to make life easier for someone else in the process. Win-win, right? Make your prices set somewhere in the middle so that way you will be desirable to book because your price is significantly lower than the competition. However, just make sure that if you need a certificate or not, that you price accordingly. And also, let's be fair because other people are out here also trying to supplement their income. This is definitely a field that has potential clients. You definitely have clients out there. You just gotta look. Seek and you shall find, right? Okay, this is the last one I have for today about animals. If you like doggies but you don't know how to train one, but you would still like to work with them, you can groom them. That way, you can make a pretty penny, and grooming dogs is a lot easier to learn than training dogs. You can even watch videos on YouTube to teach you how. It is such a nice skill to have anyway. Have a doggy or get one in the future, it will save you a significant amount of money. Not to mention, a lot of people don't have that skill or the money to pay for a professional groomer. So, until you become professional level, you can charge moderate amounts to get the doggy looking right. If you have no experience, no problem. You could even look at YouTube videos to learn how to groom a doggy, and that is much, much quicker than learning how to train one. So just because you don't know how to groom a dog, if you do like working with animals, this one could still be. Do you like animals? What is your favorite animal? Mine is an elephant. Elephants are so sweet and gentle, and they have such great memories. They love their families, and they even warn them. Okay, for the next money making idea, you're gonna wanna use your skills. Do you have editing skills? Do you speak multiple languages? Maybe you can translate some documents or books. Are you good at painting, photography? You name it. Whatever skills you have, put them to work. You can promote yourself on sites such as Instagram and you can get the clients rolling in. According to the laws in your state, you might even be able to post flyers and get some customers that way too. Try it. You might be able to get some clients. The worst that could happen is you can get no. But hey, right now it's a no anyway, right? So why not try? Your services can also spread by word of mouth, or you can go to the post office and do a flyer distribution. For a small fee, you can get something mailed to all the neighborhood homes. Depending how big or small the area is, it's depending the price, but I've seen as low as $25. So go to your local post offices and check how much it is to mail out your flyers, print, out those flyers from your home or even the library. I think it's even cheaper there. And go to the post office and have those flyers mailed out for you. They put the address and everything. All you have to do is pay. What skills do you already have? What skills do you wish to improve? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have little ones at home or just have a hectic schedule in general, maybe you work outside of home or have a small business that you're running, you can also be sure to teach your skills. Websites such as Udemy and Can.com, I'll link it down below. And Can, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But websites like this, you can go ahead and create a course and teach your skills. That way, while you're spending time with your family or even cooking dinner, you can be making some money at home as a homemaker. Whatever skills you have, you can teach it on there. Piano, singing, baking, knitting, photography, makeup application, anything you can do. People are hungry to learn these skills. Speaking of hungry, you can sell some baked goods or finger foods. Check your local laws once again, but if you're able to do an entire bake sale or if you're able to do some sort of mail delivery services for baked goods or appetizers, be sure to do that. Maybe with a vendor's license, you could even sell some at your local park while you're there. Now, this one is quite a big one, so be sure to research all of the laws regarding this. It's pretty quick too because it's not a whole meal. However, if you have it in you to make a whole meal, why not charge even more money and supplement your income even more as a homemaker? Feel more comfortable with the people you know. Still don't give up. If you work outside at home or if you know friends and families that are having events, offer your services. They'll spread the word. If you know how to bake really well or if you can make some finger foods for the party, just give it a go. You never know. Let's try to be considerate when making our prices because you never know what people and their budget are going through. But hey, even if you make $20 or $50, it's better than $0. If you charge at a reasonable price, before you know it, word will get around about your yummy services and you'll have more orders than you know what to do with. Okay, so I didn't mention blogging or YouTube because as you may or may not know, I'm not getting paid for any of this yet. I just do it because I love it and I have a passion for homemaking and I want other people to learn this as well. Whether you work outside the home or work inside the home, we are all homemakers, whether full-time or part-time. We all make our homes beautiful. So if you do like this kind of content, please subscribe and share so that more people can get this kind of content that I'm doing passionately for free. As I mentioned earlier, this video was super long, but I did make it based on categories. So if you're interested in more ideas on how to make money as a homemaker, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that video. The next one will even include ideas how you can make money without leaving your home. And you know who does know more about blogging and making money from YouTube? Crystal from Homemaking on the Homestead. So be sure to subscribe, stay tuned in, and check out Crystal's video right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.